So today we will solve one question where ABCD is given that ABCD quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed. This quadrilateral circumscribed a circle. This is the circle which is circumscribed by the quadrilateral ABCD, and it's given that this quadrilateral is touching the circle at P, Q, R and S respectively, right? Now, what we need to do? We need to calculate the length of A to B. If it's given that AP has 5 centimeter, BC has 7 centimeter, CS has 3 centimeter, and this AB, which I already said, this need to be calculated, right? This is a very simple question, students. Just try to concentrate and follow the theorem of the circle over here. Okay, we know that a tangent drawn from an external point to the circle are always equal. Okay, from the same point, if different tangents are drawn, they are always equal. We will use the same theorem over here. Now just write what's given into the question. AP is 5 centimeter. So A to P, this is AP, this is given as 5, right? The length of A to B is given as 5, right? This is 5. Now after this, BC is 7. So B to C, this length is given to you, and this is equal to 7, right? And it's also given that CS as 3 centimeter. So C to S, this one, this length is given to you as 3, right? Now, as I said, use the theorem, tangents as drawn from an external point to the same circle are always equal. So here I can see, or you can also see, that from point A, this is the circle, so AQ and AP are the two tangents, because this circle is just touching the quadrilateral, right? So we can say that if AP is the tangent, then AQ is also the tangent. So the tangents which are drawn from an external point, here the external point is A. From here two tangents we are drawn, those lengths should be equal. So the length of AP should be equal to length of AQ, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Using the same theorem, we will calculate it. We can write it. So the length from A to Q is calculated as 5. It's derived because the tangents drawn from the external point A. AQ and AP are tangents, right? Similarly, from the point C, you can see CS and CR are tangents. So CS and CR are tangents whose length will be equal to, if one of the length is CS, that is 3, then C to R is also equal to what? 3. So the length from C to R will be equal to 3, right? This is equal to 3 centimeter. This is also a tangent, right? Now from B, the two tangents are, here the external point is A, right? For AP equal to AQ, and for CS equal to CR, external point is C, right? So these are the external points from where the tangents are drawn. So similarly, from the external point B, BQ will be equal to BR. BQ is equal to BR. Both these are tangents. These lengths are also equal. So we can say that BQ equal to BR equal to, but we are not knowing the length of BR. So what we will do, as the length of CR we have calculated, so the from length of BC just deduct or subtract CR, you will get the length of BR. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So the length of B to R is 4. This one. This is 4. If this is 4, then BQ is also equal to 4 centimeter. How we have calculated it? Since B to C equal to 7 centimeter, this B to C is equal to 7 centimeter as also given into this question, right? And since B to C is equal to 7 centimeter, we can write that BC is the sum of BR plus CR, right? And CR we have already calculated as 3. So BR can be calculated as 7 minus 3. So this will give you the length of BR as 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is the length of BR which is calculated, right? Now we have used the same over here. Since BR is 4 centimeter, then BQ will also be equal to 4 centimeter, because these both BQ and BR are two tangents drawn from the external point B, right? These are tangents drawn from external point B, right? So the length of BQ is calculated over here, that is equal to 4 centimeter. And from this question you can easily say AB is AQ plus BQ, and BQ is already calculated as 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, right? So we can say that the length of AB is AQ plus BQ. And what is the length of AQ? From here you can see the length of AQ is, put up the value over here, 5 centimeter, and the length of BQ is, put up the value over here, that is 4 centimeter. So when you add 5 and 4, you will get the answer as 9 centimeter. So the length of AB is calculated as 9 centimeter. In this way we have solved this question, right? The main fundamental or the main theorem which we used over here is that the tangents drawn from an external point to any circle, to a common circle, are always equal. So if the external point is A, then AP is equal to AQ, because this AP and AQ are two tangents drawn from A. So the length of AP and AQ are always equal. So if this is AP is 5, then AQ is also equal to 5, right? Similarly, from the external point C, two tangents are drawn, CS and CR. So the length of CS and CR will be equal. So that is equal to 3, right? Similarly, from the external point B, the two tangents which are drawn are BQ and BR. So BQ and BR, the length of both are equal to 4 centimeter, right? Now, when you put up the value over here, you will get AB as AQ plus BQ, and the length of AQ is 5 centimeter. Here you can see the tangents from the external point A. AQ is 5. So put up the value of AQ as 5 centimeter, and in place of BQ write the value of 4 centimeter. So 5 plus 4 will be equal to 9 centimeter. So the length of AB is calculated as 9 centimeter. I hope you like the solution, students. If you find it useful, you can like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and happy learning. For any query, you can put up into the comment box. Even you can drop me a message. I will reply. And here in this session, you can also put up into the chat box. In the current session I will revert. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Bye students. Yeah, we can wind up now. Thank you. So here we have solved this question, and any query you can put up into the comment box, right? The simple theorem which we used over here is that tangents drawn from external point are always equal in length, right? So here we have used the same concept. So from A, two tangents AQ and AP whose length are equal, that is 5. From point C, two tangents CS and CR, this one whose length are equal, which is equal to 3 centimeter. And from B, two tangents BQ and BR, these lengths are equal, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Now the length of AB is calculated as AQ plus BQ, but earlier we are not knowing the length of BR. So that's why, since the length of BC was given to us, here you can see BC as 7 centimeter. So from 7 centimeter, if we deduct or subtract 3 centimeter, they will get the length of BR as 4. If length of BR is known to us, then BQ is also equal to BR. So BQ length is calculated as 4 centimeter. So the length of AB is calculated as AQ plus BQ, and AQ is already calculated as 5 centimeter and BQ is calculated as 4 centimeter. So 5 plus 4 will be given as 9 centimeter. So a length of AB is calculated as 9 centimeter, which is our answer. In this way we have solved this question. Right students? If any query you can put up into the comment box, and just like and subscribe. Thank you. Happy learning. Bye bye.